Is your car starting to look tired? Maybe it's time to get a quick facelift with the car paint job. A new paint job can not only freshen up your ride and give it a whole new life, it can also boost your resale value. Toyota of Clermont is here to give you more information about what to expect when you schedule a car paint job. Why should I schedule a paint job? Many times, a car's paint can become faded and look dull or discolored. This is a major reason why some car owners would opt for some fresh paint on their exterior. Another reason you may want to schedule a paint job is for a new look. Whether you want to change the color to a completely unique color or add a design like racing stripes to give your ride a sporty vibe, scheduling an appointment is the first step. What are the different types of paint jobs? There are a few different types of appointments you can schedule a paint job for. Paint touch-ups, like for scratches or chips, repairs after an accident or collision, clear coat replacement, matching paint for new parts, partial or full paint jobs. Do you need a clear coat? Clear coats are crucial for a car because they protect the car from sun damage and fading. It is also the first line of defense against scratches and chips. It may seem like a pain to pay for, but clear coats are well worth the investment. What's the difference between a partial and a full paint job? A full paint job is exactly what you think. The car is painted from bumper to bumper, inside and out. Okay, not really inside, but you get the point. You would have to get a full paint job if your whole car is faded or you'd like to change the color up completely. A partial paint job is preferred for people who have a vehicle that needs to be touched up in specific areas. These problem areas can be painted to perfectly match the existing car's color. What paint color should I choose? The limit does not exist when it comes to picking a paint color. You can choose any paint color you prefer. However, we suggest if you plan on reselling your vehicle, you may want to stick to some classics like black, silver, red, and white. An outlandish paint color can be hard to resell and hurts the overall value. If you have any questions about your car's paint job, call Toyota of Clermont today at 352-404-7001.